No, you want the benefits of AI without the bloated, expensive tech stack that's impossible to manage.
It feels like AI agents are dropping by the hundreds every day. But here's why that approach is broken.
Imagine hiring 150 freelancers that never talk to each other. You assign them one job, each handles a tiny task, and you're left scrambling to put it all together. What you need are orchestrators, not 150 disconnected bots. That's how your finance stack stays simple, traceable, and cost-effective.
We believe AI agents should work across the entire process.
End-to-end ownership. Think human-like function at inhuman scale.
Our agents actually use a lot of tools in the background, or sub-agents, if you will. They split jobs into small, specific tasks which they can solve efficiently. What you get is the complete end-to-end job done.
Our procurement agent proves it. It gives teams a single place to start and supports the entire procurement process from intake to payment. Split it into individual tasks, and some might say we're looking at 15+ different agents.
The agent follows your exact purchasing workflow with precision. For employees, it feels like any other conversation that they have in Slack or Teams, only this one guides them effortlessly through what's usually a lot of back and forth and a complex process. And it leaves your procurement team with a lot less unread messages.
It's honestly a win-win. Your procurement team only handles exceptions, and your non-finance employees finally get intuitive purchase requests. One orchestrator beats 150 bots every time.